Good morning. It's day 16, and yesterday, hopefully, you were able to attend either our 10 o'clock or our 2 o'clock math lesson. If you weren't able to attend, I have recorded that session about other polygons, and it's listed in this assignment. So before you start the Polygon slideshow assignment, you need to go back and view yesterday's recorded lesson. If you attended the lesson, you don't have to rewatch it unless you feel like you need help going back over those shapes. So I have clicked classwork and I have clicked day 16. It's Friday, day 16, and there's an assignment to Assignment 1 is going to be to watch the video if you weren't there. But assignment 2 is going to be a Polygon slideshow. So you're going to open that, and everybody's going to get their own copy. I don't think that you've ever done a slideshow before on your Chromebook. I was thinking maybe you did with Miss McClung, but I wasn't sure. So I wanted to talk about kind of what to do and what not to do. So when this opens up, it's going to have your name up here, that this is your copy of the Polygon slideshow. You're going to click on the first slide. See, these slides are numbered: slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Scroll down. There's slide 4, slide 5, slide 6. There's only 6 slides. The first slide is just a title slide. So you're going to click inside this text box and write your name. You won't click in this text box. This text box is just what I named the slideshow, my Polygon slideshow. So if you click on slide number 2 over here, it says use these polygons to answer the questions on slide number 4. So these are the shapes that we talked about in day 15 live video math lesson. We have polygon M, N, O, P, Q, and R. And then we have on slide 3, polygon S, T, U, V, W, and X. And it says you're going to use these polygons on slides 2 and 3 to answer the questions on slide 4. So here's slide 4. You're going to write letters here. You're going to click in this box and you're going to type the letters. So polygon, whatever, M, N, O. The example is which polygons have 3 sides. And the person that made this assignment said polygons Y and Z. Oh, there's no Y and Z. But W has 3 sides. And Q has 3 sides. So also for here on the example, you could have written W and Q also have 3 sides. So the first one that you're going to do by yourself is all sides are equal. So it doesn't matter how many sides they have, but how many have equal sides. So I would click back up here. T does not have equal sides. This side and this side are not the same. They're not equal, so I'm not going to put T. But what about U? Yes, U has this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, 6 sides, and they are all equal. V, not equal. X, not equal. There's a long one and a short one. W, yep. This side, this side, this side, 3 sides are all equal. So there's several polygons for that first question that have equal sides. O doesn't. Does the triangle Q? No, it has a long side and a short side. So I can see that M has equal. So I'm going to go back to slide 4, click in this box. You're going to take away what I wrote, and start putting the letters of the polygons that are equal. So we said M, comma. See, I can look back over here and see that T was not, but U is. So there's going to be several answers to that. Okay. So where I say type letters here, that means you click there and you put the letters of the polygon. All sides are not equal. Oh, okay, so we saw that X was not equal. So click here and type X. But just know that there are more than one answer. Okay. The third question, at least one right angle. So remember, right angle is a square corner. Looking up here. Okay, S, all angles are square. So S has all right angles. That could go there. But notice that T, this isn't a square corner, but this one is. So I could put T because the question is at least one. Okay, the last question, at least one set of parallel sides. So remember, parallels is two sides, they're going the same way. They could be going this way parallel. So let's look at V. Does this side and this side go the same way? No. Does this side? No. If those kept going, they would touch eventually. But look at X. These are not parallel, but the top and the bottom sides of X are parallel. So I could put X. W does not have a parallel. S does. T does. U does. So you've got to think back to what parallel means. Now looking at slide 5. How many right angles does this polygon have? Remember, right angles are square corners. So once you count how many square corners, you're going to click here, take away my writing, and type your answer. Don't click here and take away the question. If you take away the question, you're not going to know what it says anymore. That's my writing. So make sure you only click where you're supposed to. And then on the last slide, how are these polygons the same? Remember, polygon is any shape with all straight sides that are closed. So a circle is not a polygon because it doesn't have straight sides. How are these two the same? What's the same about them? Click here. And what's different about them? Click here. After you finish working on your slideshow, make sure you've answered the questions on every slide before you hit turn in up here at the top.